Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable WordPress REST API for custom endpoints, full guide step by step clearly. To enable the WordPress REST API for custom endpoints, you first need to access your WordPress site's dashboard. Log in to your WordPress admin panel. Navigate to the themesfunctions.php file in the appearance section. Alternatively, you can create a custom plugin to hold your REST API code. If you opt for a plugin, go to the Plugins section and select Add New. Click on Create Your Own Plugin and give it a name. Now, open the functions.php file or your custom plugin file in a code editor. To begin adding a custom endpoint, you will use the register_REST_out function. This function requires three parameters: the namespace, the endpoint, and the arguments. For example, start by adding the following code inside the function in your chosen location. PHP add_action, REST_API_init, function, register_REST_out, mplugin/v1. The data part will be your custom endpoint. Next, you need to define the callback function my_custom_ function. This function will handle the logic for your custom endpoint. Add this function below the register_REST_out line. Make sure the function returns the data you want to expose through the API. Here's a simple example: PHP function my_custom_ function, return new WP_REST_response, hello. Now, save your changes in the functions.php file or your plugin file. Next, you will want to test the new endpoint. Open a web browser and enter your site's URL followed by /wpjson/mplugin/v1/data. For example, https://yoursite.com/wp-json/myplugin/v1/data. You should see the response that you defined in your callback function. If you get an error, double-check your code for any syntax mistakes. Congratulations, you have successfully created a custom endpoint using the WordPress REST API. Feel free to expand this endpoint by adding more complex logic or multiple endpoints. Always ensure your code is secure and follows WordPress coding standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.